What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So finally a lot of time have passed and today I somehow managed to get my hands on with the latest and the greatest Harmony operating system. And seriously, the Harmony operating system felt really smooth. I have used flagship smartphones including the iPhone 13 Pro Max which have 120Hz display, but this operating system felt smoother than that. This is the Huawei's Mate 40e, which is a low-end version of the Huawei Mate 40 Pro. So with that said, here are my top features of the Harmony operating system which I really want to show you. So the first thing is the overall look and the feel of the operating system. Well, HarmonyOS has a very unique and minimalistic look and feel, and the OS feels amazingly smooth. There is a lot of customizations that we can do. For example, the widget snippets, that's the best part of the OS, and again, it's unique and no other companies are right now giving this feature. Like you have the ability to swipe up on the application that supports this feature and it will give you a quick widget of that particular app, and you can also pin the icon and adjust it anywhere on the screen, which is one of the highlighted feature of the Harmony operating system. Well, next up, we have cross-device connectivity. Unfortunately, I haven't tested this feature in person because on that time, I don't had any other Huawei product near me, especially the headphones and the Huawei smartwatches. But this feature allows you to connect any Huawei device near you smoothly. You just had to drag the device which will shows here and you can easily connect them together, which is quite easy. Well, the third feature in the list is related to the second one. Here you can see a camera icon. Well, this basically allows you to connect other Huawei devices' cameras together. For instance, if you have any other Huawei phone and you want a screen view of the main device camera, well, this feature allows you to do that. If you connect both phones through it, you can view the camera screening in both phones, which is really cool feature to have. So with that said, I would say Harmony operating system have tons of other features too, which due to shortage of time, I haven't explored. But I'm trying to get some Huawei phones to further explore it. So this is basically a quick video related to the features of the Harmony operating system. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button for the next video. So as always, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.